sound up. Frozen Pickle Pop.
Which provides for high power output, and its quantum efficiency is off the charts. What are you going to use it for? Leonard, there's a crow on your roof. I see it. Is that one of Dr. Lee's crows? It has a tag on its leg. Don't make any sudden moves. Mark, let's stand perfectly still. What do you want? Thursday, Sheldon's calling Nobel Prize minus 80. You think I'm the kind of man who would sell out his partner for the chance of winning a Nobel Prize? Are you? Boy, I hope not. Ben, your genius.
Let's hope this video turns out good.
Okay, you have any idea where I can obtain radioactive material? Don't miss the new Young Sheldon.